We are going to show you how to read or identify the production date of Varta or Bosch car batteries. We said Bosch and Varta because both of them are made in the same factories in Europe. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Tutorial Auto. The Bosch and Varta car batteries have a serial number on the top in the right corner. The serial number for this battery is CAC754071. We are interested in the first 9-digit code, which C letter is from Czech factory where the battery was manufactured. A and C. It is a factory code that is not important for us. Also the C letter doesn't matter. 7 shows us the production year, which is 2017. And 54 is the month of the manufacturing. So our Varta battery is manufactured in June 2017. You can find the complete information about Varta and Bosch car batteries in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.